David Morgan with you for Money and Metals for the week ending 24 July 2015. I'm going to start with gold today. Gold had about a 10-day in a row losing streak, biggest losing streak in about 20 years, certainly hitting a low. Most everyone is bearish in the gold market. Almost everyone thinks that gold is going to go even lower. August is usually the seasonality for gold making the low. I think that's possible, and I do still think that we'll see a rally starting in September, October of this year. The other point to make is that on a technical level, the level that gold has reached recently, the 1080 level, is almost a precise 50% retracement from the 250 to the 1900 level that is achieved. So I think the worst is in for the gold market. I am still neutral to bullish at this point in time, but if you want to be super cautious, you can just wait another month or two before you begin new purchases or add to your existing account. On the silver side, the Mint announced that it will start allocating Silver Eagles to the wholesale dealers starting on Monday. And the other silver news is Silver Wheaton is being visited again by the CRA vis-a-vis their tax situation, which is something that has been visited upon a few times. And what I find interesting here is that there are many structures in Canada that use something extremely similar in the oil and gas sector. A lot of those are not being looked at. So I think that they are in the purview of the law, but I'm not going to make a legal statement here. I'm just going to state a fact that most of the transactions are actually Canadians direct, and they're already taxed. So the few that aren't would be a small amount versus what the total structure and all the entities that are within that streaming accounts of Silver Wheaton's entail. And then back to the currency and money markets. I think the main thing to watch is the euro. Now that the Greek situation is fixed, quote unquote, ask someone on the street in Greece if it's fixed. Regardless, it looks like the can has been kicked down the road and the euro will stay intact. Greece will stay in the eurozone, and what we will see is a stronger euro. As that happens, we'll see more pressure on the weaker countries in that zone, Portugal, Spain, and Italy, and this may cause further problems as this system is working through very interesting times. We're watching all of it closely and we'll report weekly. That's it for this week with David Morgan.